then let me show you how to connect Facebook ad platform to your online store. Here I am on my store, and for doing this, we want to activate the Facebook application. So go to your dashboard, and then applications, all applications, and then look for Facebook. Great, activate this app, and then access the Facebook app. Okay, great, so now we are in the Facebook app, and click on Get Started. Then we log in. Then you want to connect your store to WooCommerce. So I'm very sorry, everything is in French by default because my browser is in French. And unfortunately, this time I have no way to change the language. So either you learn French very quickly, or I will just tell you what to do. Here, when it asks if you want to connect WooCommerce to Facebook, then just click on the blue button, Next, I guess in English. Then here on this page, you can connect the business manager, Facebook page, Instagram profile, product catalog, ads account, and the pitch. That is very important to track the result of our advertising. So for me, I already have everything, so that's why it's already set up for me. For you, if you already have business manager, Facebook page, you can connect them here. And if you don't, then you can just create them from here directly as well. For my business manager, I will keep my current one. Then for Facebook page, I will create a new one. We'll Maximilian Black, okay. Then I will not create an Instagram account. We will create a new catalog. This is the page to create a new product catalog. So we will create a new one. In the name, I put Maximilian Black, then next. We select into catalog Maximilian Black, perfect, then next. Then I already have an ad account, so I would select my account, but for you, maybe you need to create a new one and you just do the same thing. So for me, I will select mine, then next. And then here for the pixels, I will create a new one because this is what tracks the data and the result of our ads. So we need to have one pixel on each of our websites, and we can't have the same pixel on multiple websites. So that's why I need to create a new one. In the name, I put Maximilian Black, then next. And I choose my Maximilian Black pixel, okay? And now everything is configured for me, so that's great. Then we can click on next. Then we need to choose the authorization between our store and Facebook. Just keep everything active, everything on yes, otherwise they might have issue later when you will run ads. So just keep everything active. Then click next. So perfect, now it says that everything is ready and we can create an ad. So this is not what I will do right now because I want to keep building my store, but we can come back to Facebook Business Manager later and then create our advertising. So I will click on the over button, the finish button, I guess in English. Then we have another confirmation message that says that everything is fine. And yes, this is my site, so let's go there. And perfect, we have the confirmation message that everything is fine. You can see the different information here into the connection tab. You can see the ID of the page, of the pixel, etc. So this is confirmation that everything works well. There is some additional options in the Facebook app that you can check if you want to go further and use even more Facebook product. So now our store is connected to Facebook. We can create ads and drive people to our store. So this is cool. And let's keep going to the next one.